Hi friends, I am Dr. Kirti Kothari. In the previous video of neck exercises for dentists, we talked about the high risk of neck, shoulder and back pain in dentists. Awkward working postures, repetitive work and prolonged standing and sitting can result in damage to muscles, joints, bones and ligaments, which can lead to pain, fatigue and various musculoskeletal disorders. In this video, I am going to tell about exercises which are for lower back pain and to prevent any musculoskeletal disorder in back. We will start with stretching exercises and then do strengthening exercises. Cat and cow pose relieve muscle tension in the whole back and also strengthens core muscles. Cow stretch activates muscle around the tailbone and cat stretch releases tension of neck and upper back. Child pose stretches back, hips, thighs and ankles. It lengthens and stretches the spine, hence reducing backache. Knee to chest exercise stretches and eases the tension in lower back muscles. It also massages the abdominal organs. Back extension exercise helps in strengthening lower back muscles. It also works on the muscles of your hip and shoulder. Strengthening of the lower back muscles prevent the musculoskeletal disorders of the lower back in the long term. Tight piriformis muscle may compress the sciatic nerve, leading to pain in back and radiating to leg. So stretching of this muscle will prevent or relieve these symptoms. To perform the piriformis stretch, you have to bend the knee of one leg and pull it towards the opposite shoulder. Hold it for 10 seconds and then release. Do same with the other leg. Lower back rotation relieves stretches in the lower back and trunk. So it reduces pain in the lower back and also work on core muscles to improve stability. The Superman pose helps promote good posture. It increases the strength in your core and back muscles. It helps reduce the pain in lower back area. It also improves the strength of the glutes muscles, hence stabilizes the hip joint. Lateral leg lift exercise works on abductor muscles of hip joint, which play a part in maintaining stability. They also support pelvis when we stand. Weakness of these muscles affect balance, mobility and also causes low back pain. So to reduce these symptoms, it is important to strengthen these. Posterior pelvic tilt exercise strengthens the support muscles around the lower spine. It also strengthens the abdominal muscles. It is a very good preliminary exercise to reduce low back pain. For this exercise, you need to put your hand below your lower back. Then press the hand with your back by tilting your pelvis backwards. Hold this pressure for 10 seconds and then release. Naukasana or boat pose strengthens the abdomen core muscles and back muscles. In this exercise, try to focus on position of back rather than on keeping legs higher. Plank is a core muscle exercise. It strengthens core muscles of spine and pelvis. It also improves balance and posture and reduces backache. Prone straight leg raising exercise helps strengthen your spine, lower back and hip muscles. So it reduces back and also hip pain. Bird dog exercise is a simple core exercise. It improves stability and relieves low back pain. It strengthens core muscles, hips and back. It also helps maintain proper posture. I hope all the dentists will benefit from these exercises and make them a part of their daily routine. Thank you.